Understanding, Tossing and Turning, a guide to sleepless nights. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common phrase, tossing and turning. It's something many of you might have heard, especially in conversations about sleep. So, grab a comfy spot, and let's explore this phrase together, hoping to make your learning journey a bit easier and more enjoyable. Tossing and turning is a phrase that vividly describes the act of moving restlessly while trying to sleep. Imagine lying in bed, unable to find a comfortable position, and as a result, you keep moving around, flipping from one side to the other, adjusting your pillow, or even rearranging your blankets. This phrase perfectly captures that frustrating experience of seeking comfort in vain, which many find relatable during sleepless nights. While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of tossing and turning, it's clear that the phrase has been in use for a long time, often appearing in literature and spoken English to describe restless sleep. The words toss and turn individually suggest movement, and when combined, they vividly describe the continuous and often fruitless motion of trying to fall asleep. To help you understand how to use this phrase in real-life contexts, here are a few examples. I was tossing and turning all night because of the heat. She couldn't stop tossing and turning, worrying about her exam the next day. After drinking coffee late in the evening, he found himself tossing and turning in bed, unable to sleep. These sentences show that tossing and turning can be used to describe any situation where discomfort or anxiety leads to a restless attempt to fall asleep. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, tossing and turning. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you express yourself more vividly in English, especially when talking about common experiences. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more interesting aspects of the English language with you. Sleep tight, and don't let the bedbugs bite. Without any tossing and turning. Hopefully.